Hi guys, this is Yuki for another roundup about MILLI today. I'm trying to do this daily video to keep you posted about everything that's happening in the MILLI ecosystem and give you a quick roundup about everything that's happening with MILLI. So, little presentation if it's your first time seeing this video. MILLI is the community coin of SEI, the main one, the first dog coin on SEI. And I like to compare it to BONK on Solana, and I'll show you why in a minute. So if you want to know more about MILLI, you can visit their website. It's very easy to navigate, and you have the presentation here. Scroll down, you have direct link on how to buy on Astroport, follow the chart on Coinhall, see the listing on CoinGecko, and even the listing on CoinMarketCap now that we have it. You have the contract address here if you might want to make sure you're buying the right thing, and a small tutorial there, presentation some more here. MILLI was actually airdropped to the biggest NFT communities on SEI. I myself discovered it through Mempool Ducks, so I want to give them a shout out for hooking me up. It's a very cool little collection if you want to check it out on Palette. The floor price is about 9 SEI at the moment. They're very cool little ducks. And there's a burning mechanism at the moment, so if you want to burn 24 of them and talk directly to the artist, it'll make you a personalized custom at your taste. And that's it for the shout out. Back to MILLI. You can see the roadmap. We already have CoinMarketCap listing done. Now we're waiting for the tier 1 exchange listing, which is probably going to be Max C in the coming days or weeks. We never know how that's going to happen, but that's going to be a massive catalyst for the price action. And then we'll see if we can make it to the #1 altcoin. That's it for the short presentation. Now let's get to the Twitter, what's happening in the MILLIverse today. You can see we're still around 7,000 followers. Nice videos here. And the big news today is that MILLI started a meme competition. You have 72 hours to partake, and the prize are pretty big. We're talking about, I think, roughly $400 worth of MILLI if you get the first place. So you see people have been getting crazy already with memes. Fun stuff. A lot of interest on this competition. A lot of participation. The MILLI army is really strong, and it's very promising for the future of MILLI. Now let's do a quick roundup of the crypto market today. We see we're still in extreme greed levels, so be careful what you invest right now. Be careful not to FOMO at the top. I'm not saying it's the top of the market, but it might be a local top. You can see everything is in the green and high in the green. BNB 40% up on the week. Solana 19% up on the week. So just be safe out there. Invest only money you can afford to lose, and don't forget to have fun. Now about MILLI. We've been in the weird descending triangle as well as in the descending channel. Just as we speak, there's a little spike up. We're retesting the top of this triangle. So if we pass the resistance, then we could have a move up 15% up before retesting the support and then on to the next leg up. So this is my prediction for now. But always remember, this is far from being financial advice. Now I want to show you something I found today. I've been wanting to show you about BONK on Solana, because I like to say that MILLI is the BONK of SEI. And so here we go. What you see here, when BONK was only a month old, we were right here. BONK is all the way up here now. So from here, that's about a 3,000% move to the upside. So as I'm saying here, just sit back and relax. We're far away from the top. The bull run is just starting. And I'm wishing us all the same success as BONK early adopters. That's it for today, guys. Keep it up, go outside, hug a tree, and have fun. Cheers.